Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. Today I will show you how to find out Snapchat users from your contacts list. Go to the Snapchat app from your apps list. Tap on the profile icon from the top left corner. Go to the settings from the top right corner. Scroll down and find the option Contact Syncing. Tap on this. In the Manage Contacts setting, Sync Contacts option is disabled. Check the box to enable Sync Contacts. Now go back. After that, tap on Add Friends. From this page, tap on Add Contacts. These are the Snapchat users from your contacts list. You can add these Snapchat users by tapping the Add button beside the profile name. So that is how you can find Snapchat users from your contacts list. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.